Hello everyone, we're going to do some quick cooking today, and I was walking through the shops and I found this. Now this is a little pain au chocolat kit, and what I like about this kit is it's so easy that even very young children could have a go at this. So if you've got a younger brother or sister and you'd like to introduce them to some cooking and they haven't done loads before, this is something that they could do without loads of help. And it's got a really tasty result as well. Who doesn't love a pain au chocolat? So I'm going to quickly show you how it works and show you how to do it. So you can find this in the refrigerated aisle where you find the other pastries and stuff like that. Near the butter usually. And inside you get some chocolate. That's for the middle of the pain au chocolat. And you get the dough. And the dough's amazing stuff. Now before we open the dough, we're going to need to wash our hands, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, now that I've washed my hands, I'm going to open the dough. Have a look. So the dough kind of opens itself. I don't know why. I think it's under high pressure or something, but it's kind of cool. Whoa, look. Whoa! Man, that really went off. Explosive dough. And there it is. Pretty cool, huh? That's our dough. Okay, so let's get our dough out onto the chopping board. It smells really nice. Okay. Need to find the edge like this and unroll it. Okay. Any stringy bits. I think I'll just work on one at a time. Okay, so we make one by breaking off each section like this. This one's a bit smaller. And then putting a chocolate stick each end, like that. And rolling the pain au chocolat inwards like this. And that is a pain au chocolat. We're going to put it on a baking tray like this. Let's make the rest. So there you have it, 6 pain au chocolats ready to go in the oven. They're going to go in at 200 degrees and they'll be ready in about 10 minutes. There they are, finished. They look good, don't they? Now, as a little extra tip, you can add more chocolate than they give you to these. I once put some chocolate buttons in mine and that was really good. You can also brush the tops with a little bit of milk and that will give them a slightly more shiny and golden appearance. So, why not try it yourself?